All right. Welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing the eye gel. Just the skill itself, what you have to do to insert it. I have another video that's up when it's the entire skill. So what you want to do with the eye gel, it is measured by someone's weight and not their height. And you gotta guess what their weight is. I suck at guessing weights, but that's why you have a partner and they can help you out. But average person is going to be at a 4. So it comes with the holder, like the securing device. It comes with your eye gel, and it also comes with lube. Also have a stethoscope because you want to make sure that you confirm placement. So I like to prepare myself. I'm going to use this, put that underneath the head. Take out my eye gel. Put the lube in this little hole right here. As you can see, I didn't use this thing 1,000 times. And you're just going to lube the tip of the eye gel. You want to do a head tilt chin lift to insert this. If they have an OPA in, this is a great time to take out the OPA. And you want to go ahead and hold down the chin, and it's going to open that up. You're going to go ahead and shove that in. And you want to keep going until you feel resistance. Once you feel resistance, then you want to use one of your capnographies. If you want to use the one for a monitor, because I'm a Matic, I can put this into the monitor, or if you have a color matrix device. So I'm just going to pop this one on here. Then before I secure it, I'm going to confirm placement. I'm going to have my partner listen over the apex base and base of the lungs, and then over the epigastric. If I feel any resistance or I don't get good back compliance, I'm just going to pull up on the tube a little bit. Once I have that, I am going to secure my eye gel. I like to crisscross. Or you can go straight on each side. And then I'm going to do one breath every 6 seconds. And that's it. If you want to use the select, then you use the select.